Hello friends. Welcome to my new design pattern tutorial series video. Today, I will teach you how to implement state design pattern in Java. Friends, the state design pattern is a behavior design pattern. It allows an object to alter its behavior when its internal state changes. Let's see it through a use case of season. There are various seasons such as summer, winter, monsoon, etc. Each season implements season interface and its next season method. Here, each season has its own order in weather cycle. Monsoon season comes after summer, winter comes after monsoon, and summer comes after winter, and so on. The next season method after completing season points to next season in weather cycle. If we consider each season a state, then state changes to another when one season finishes. As season context carries an instance of season, based on season context next season comes. State pattern test instantiates season context class. In season context constructor, it initialize season, let's say to summer. It then calls its next season method. Now, season context uses summer season instance and calls next season method, passing itself to it. After finishing summer season, it sets monsoon season to season context and cycle goes on. Let's see it's working through Java code. In Design Pattern Tutorial Java project, let's create a Java interface. Provide a name to it as season. Keep it in a package as com.hoverspot.designpattern.behavioral.state. Click Finish. It creates an interface by name, season. Let's provide it a method as public void next season, taking in an instance of season context. Let's move ahead and create a new Java class by name season context. In season context class, create an instance variable of type season. Create a setter method for season instance variable. Let's create a constructor of season context class. Inside constructor, let's initialize season variable to summer season. Also, let's create a method by name, next season. Inside next season method, using season instance variable, call next season method by passing in current season context, as this. Here, season context current season is summer season. As there is no summer class created, let's create a class by name summer. Make this summer class implement season interface. It prompts us to implement abstract methods of season interface. In next season method, I will just sys out. Summer season is running. At last, when summer season ends, it changes its state based on some condition. Here, there is only one condition, that is, after summer season comes monsoon season, hence season changes to monsoon. In order to change season to monsoon, we call setSeason method of season context variable and pass new monsoon to it. As there is no monsoon class created, let's create a class by name monsoon. Make this monsoon class implement season interface. It prompts us to implement abstract methods of season interface. In next season method, I will just sys out. Monsoon season is running. At last, when monsoon season ends, it changes its state based on some condition. Here, there is only one condition, that is, after monsoon season comes winter season, hence season changes to winter. In order to change season to winter, we call set season method of season context variable and pass new winter to it. As there is no winter class created, let's create a class by name winter. Make this winter class implement season interface. It prompts us to implement abstract methods of season interface. In next season method, I will just sys out. Winter season is running. At last, when winter season ends, it changes its state based on some condition. Here, there is only one condition, that is, after winter season again comes summer season, hence season changes to summer. In order to change season to summer, we call set season method of season context variable and pass new summer to it. In season context, we initialized season to summer and finally cycle came back to summer season. Moving ahead, let's create a Java main class which will demonstrate actual working of state design pattern. Provide a name to it as state pattern test. In the main method, first let's instantiate season context class. After creating instance of season context, let's call its next season method 3 times as demonstrated. Moving ahead, let's run this test class. It prints summer season is running, monsoon season is running, winter season is running. Moving ahead, suppose I want to start my season cycle from monsoon season, instead of summer season. Let's call set season method of season context instance and pass new monsoon to it. And call next season method twice. Also, I will just sys out. Setting current season to monsoon. Let's run this test class once again. It prints monsoon season is running and winter season is running, as after monsoon winter season comes. So we just saw how season context behavior varies based on season changes. Keep in mind, here, there was no condition, but you may come up with a scenario where, based on some condition, you have to transfer context to some different state. This is how state design pattern works in Java. So friends, go through this video 2 to 3 times so that, how to implement state design pattern in Java, concept gets more clear to you. Hope you like this video. Please give 1 minute to like, share, comment or subscribe my channel, or you can visit my website at www.hubberspot.com.